Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. TV, it's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 0, Pyramids 0. Don't forget to subscribe. Also become a member. I'm joined by Utapa.
Access Tibo.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Pirates, man. We are technical. You understand?
Yeah.
English is technical, bro.
Sure.
We are not be scared by my results.
Yeah.
We are going to bring a statue. When we bring the trophy, Lapaya, in Cairo, so start as a speaker, Lapaya.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Everything is planned.
Yeah, sure.
Pagania, relax.
Yeah.
It's technical.
Perfect. Benamakosi bati 3 goals in Ropile.
We are dealing with currently now. Let's still affairs. We are dealing with the country. Let this give us the Sundowns. Currently now, we are dealing with not Pirates. It's the country. Hitting the Sundowns.
Sure.
Anything that we are doing now is tactical.
Yeah.
You know Jose.
Yeah.
He understands the game.
Yeah.
What we are doing now,
yeah.
We are going to finish in Cairo.
Tango!